The sari that I'll be talking about today is the pride of Tamil Nadu and it's known for its uniqueness. This sari, like many other handloom saris, has seen many ups and downs, but what is important is that in the course of time this sari has evolved beautifully. The sari is weaved in Karaikudi area of Chettinad, which is located in Shivganga district in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. This sari traditionally is called as Kandangi Saree in Karaikudi, and outside Karaikudi people call the same sari as Chettinad sarees. Do watch my video to know about this amazing weave. Hi friends, my name is Sarika Shetty and welcome to my channel. Chettinad is famous for its imperial architectural building and its mouth-watering cuisine, especially its yummy Chettinad chicken curry. The other thing which Chettinad is famous for is its cotton saree. Very little is known about the origin of Kandangi Saree. However, as per common belief, it is said that this saree was introduced by the wealthy Nagartar community around 250 years ago. This saree was originally made in silk, which was called as Pattu Kandangi, but for the convenience sake, the women of the Karaikudi asked the weavers to replace silk with cotton and the designs and the pattern to remain as it is, and thus cotton Kandangi Saree was being made. Back in the day, the saree was draped around the body and worn without a blouse or an underskirt. Maybe that was the reason that the weave tended to be rather thick. The saree was twirled around the body such that the pleats were formed at the back, and this saree was originally 91 centimeters, whereas today it is 120 centimeters. Maybe this was to ensure that the ornate anklet of the saree wearer would be on display. Kandangi sarees were woven by Devanga Chettiars, who are the skilled artisans since ancient times. Once a flourishing weaving center with around 1000 weavers and operating through 50 weaving clusters, saw a steep decline in practice due to industrialization and imitative designs from other regions of Tamil Nadu, due to which only few artisans remain, which can be said around 200 weavers, and they are also operating through cooperative societies. However, in recent time it has been seen that a lot of effort is being made by the government bodies, the cooperative societies such as Cooptex, the textile experts and the retailers to revive the Kandangi sarees, and they are providing with financial support and technical training to the weavers. Also, GI tag has been granted to the Kandangi weave, which means that nobody can copy this design. Kandangi sarees are woven in silk, cotton and mixture of both. These sarees are very thick and heavy cotton and not translucent. Earlier they used 40 count thickness, but today they are woven in 60 count thickness, which is relatively smoother and finer. However, there are some people who still prefer 40 count thickness. The texture of the saree is very coarse, and with repeated wash it becomes softer. Strangely, after so many times of wearing this saree and repeated washing, this saree never torn, and even after multiple times of wearing, this saree was considered durable enough to use this as cradle or totil for the infants. Earlier Kandangi sarees were made with earthy colors like red, yellow and orange, but these days you will find different other color combinations also to suit the demand of the present saree wearers. This saree is known for its striped and checkered patterns with broad borders. The length of the saree is less than 6 meters that we normally find. It is approximately around 5.5 meters, and this saree does not come with any blouse piece. The pallu of the sari is very simple, but the highlight of the sari is its broad borders, which has elegant and beautiful design patterns on them. As I said earlier, Kandangi sarees do not come with a blouse piece. So you can style your sari with any contrasting blouse, or pick any color from your sari and wear a solid color blouse. You can also accessorize your sari by wearing gold jewelry, silver or terracotta jewelry. Do remember that taking inspirations of jewelry from influencers is always good, but always be mindful of your purchase and do what suits your personality. The price range of cotton Kandangi sari starts from rupees 1000 and can go up to rupees 12,000 depending upon the intricacy of the embroidery that has been done on the sari. And the pure silk sari starts from rupees 3000 and can go up to rupees 60,000 depending upon the silk that has been used on the sari. Be it any season, hot, cold or rainy, Kandangi sarees can be worn comfortably on a daily basis at home or office, or for that matter any place that you wish to wear your traditional attire. And the silk Kandangi sarees can be worn on special occasions like wedding or again for that matter any special occasion that you wish you drape your silk sarees. You can purchase your sari from Cooptex, which promotes handloom industry and are in the interest of the cooperative weavers. I link their site in the description box below. If you want, you can check it out, or else you can purchase your sari from any trustworthy sites that you normally prefer to purchase your handloom saris from. It is possible that the color of your cotton Kandangi sari may bleed in the first few washes, but eventually it will subside. What you can do is you can soak your Kandangi sari, or for that matter any cotton sari, in warm water for 10 minutes adding rock salt. What this will do is it will prevent the saris from color bleeding in the subsequent washes, and then wash it with mild detergent or easy. Never wrinkle the sari and always hang it over the water tap and let the excess water drain off. Never wash your silk sari or cotton silk sari at home. Kandangi sari has existed for over 250 years, and with the kind of evolvement it has shown, I'm sure it is going to stay here for many more years. Sari lovers, do show some love to Kandangi saris and experience it yourself. Conserving handloom sari is not only the responsibility of the state or the government, but it also lies with us sari wearers who can contribute in their own unique way. That's all for my video on Kandangi sarees. I hope you enjoyed this journey of Kandangi saree as much as I did bringing this to you. If you're watching me for the very first time, do consider subscribing to my channel for more sari videos, and we'll meet you all super soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.